Alright, in this part of the course, I just want to show you different types of affiliate marketers because chances are almost everyone on social media that you've seen is potentially an affiliate marketer. So here we have someone who creates content about just like house design, lifestyle, things like that. And essentially, she's literally just promoting a bunch of Amazon products. So as you can see, she creates videos with Amazon products, like she shows you different gadgets and things. Let's take a look at one of her videos, for example. So she's promoting this Amazon product. It's like a house thing, whatever, for the kitchen. So essentially, she'll link it in her bio. She even says that. So link to shop, she'll put it here. So if we go to her bio, click on the link. We just click right here. She has here shop my Amazon storefront. And here she's gonna have a bunch of Amazon products, as you can see, which is crazy. So she's promoting all these Amazon products, and I'm sure she's making a lot of money in commissions. So as you can see, there's so many different niches. You could do this if you wanted to, if this was maybe something that you like. Now we have this other girl as well who creates content about, I guess, like cleaning tips, life and home hacks, organization, and she's doing pretty much the same thing. She's showing all these different Amazon products and gadgets that she has, and then she'll have a link for all the Amazon products in her bio, and then people will go there and then purchase through her link, and she'll make a commission. So another great niche here. We have another girl here who's actually in the personal finance niche, which I'm also in the personal finance niche, and she creates content about just different finance products, and she probably has, let's actually take a look and see what she's promoting. So she's actually just promoting her email list, which is very smart because if someone subscribes to her email list, then she's able to send countless amounts of emails to that person and, get them to essentially sign up to her affiliate links, which is pretty cool. Now we have this other girl here who's also promoting different Amazon products, which is pretty cool. I mean, you could do this too if you wanted to, but I only recommend doing this if, maybe you like these types of products, maybe you enjoy, making reviews on products, but these are just, some ideas. There are also a ton of pages that promote, travel affiliate programs. Like they'll promote, maybe flights, hotels, things like that. And this is something you could do as well. Now, the one thing I want to mention now is how do you become successful as an affiliate marketer? How do you actually make it big? So the way I recommend you do it is looking at competitors in your niche, people who are promoting products in your niche. So let's say you are in the travel niche and you're like, I don't really know how to make it big. What are other people doing? Just go now and search for travel affiliate marketers, or just search on Instagram travel. All right, so I found this lady and I assume she is promoting travel affiliate links. Let's just take a look and see. Okay, so she's promoting these waterproof shoes, and also let's see what this is. And there you go, she's promoting these different trips. So if someone actually purchases one of these trips, she makes a commission. Now that's all for this part of the course. In the next part, we'll talk more about being a content creator.